without going to the details of that, syempre negosyo yan eh. Ay, siguro, yun nga yung binanggit kanina ni ni President Nick, no? But hindi lang yun, we mentioned Aboitiz, but in fact, there are others who are interested. Ganun talaga if medyo okay na, syempre, they're interested.
Parang freeloader na.
Yeah. Di naman, pero kaibigan naman natin ng Aboitiz, no? In fact, they're one of our suppliers, di ba? San Miguel and Aboitiz. So, I'm sure that was done in good faith, no? And like I said, hindi lang naman sila, may mga iba pa naman na interesado, no? Hindi ko na i-mention yun, you only mention Aboitiz kasi nabanggit na kanina, but mayroon naman ding iba, and we should be happy about that, no? We should be happy in the sense na marami na nagkaka-interest sa INEC. In fact, ang comment ng board before bakit nung naghihikahusang INEC, hindi sila, walang may interest. So, kwan lang naman yun. Again, the Aboitiz Group is kaibigan natin yan. Yung presyo ng kuryente nila sa atin, napakababa yung pinirmahan natin. So, that's all because they really want to help also INEC, no? So, of course, syempre, it's a business. So, you cannot fault them for trying to make an offer.